Making zero sales? Here are 5 tips and tricks for selling using Instagram stories. Use compelling visuals. Use high-quality images and videos that showcase your products or services effectively. Clear, vibrant visuals will capture the attention of your audience and make them more likely to engage with your stories. Offer limited-time offers. Create a sense of urgency by using phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or 24-hour sale. This encourages viewers to take immediate action to avoid missing out. Add links. Direct users to your online store or product pages for a seamless shopping experience. Use interactive features. Use interactive stickers like polls, quizzes, and questions to engage your audience. You can gather feedback, conduct market research, and subtly guide them towards your products. Show behind the scenes. Show the process behind your products, introduce your team, or share customer testimonials. This adds authenticity to your brand and helps build a stronger connection with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly post engaging stories to keep your audience interested and informed about your products or services.